How to update Salesforce data from Excel with Excel Connector. Every admin, sales rep, or data analyst knows the importance of having their Salesforce data complete and up to date. This may become a challenge when dealing with hundreds or even thousands of records. Excel Connector has the solution for this. Its update function will let you bulk update Salesforce records with just a click of a button. First, we need to have our data in the spreadsheet, and we can do that by entering it manually or by pulling it from Salesforce through a report or query. Once we've done that, we update all the data we need and click the Update button in the ribbon. We can choose to update currently selected rows or all of them. A pop-up window will be displayed, and here we need to define the object we're updating and map our Excel columns to the corresponding Salesforce field. If a column wasn't automatically mapped by the connector, we can drag and drop it from the list above. In this window, we can also define whether blank values will overwrite current values in Salesforce or if they'll be ignored during the operation. As we've seen, many Salesforce admins face the need to mass update records using any field instead of IDs. Xappex has come up with a solution. With Excel Connector, you can bypass the need to provide an ID to perform any mass update operation. You have the ability to match any column mapped to an ID, lookup, or a master detail field using any text field on the object, whether it's external ID, email, case number, record name, etc. The only requirement is that there are no duplicate values in the system in the text field that's used for matching. For example, in this case, we can update these accounts by mapping the account number to the account ID field and selecting account number in the If Not ID Match By column. So when mappings are ready, we simply click Update, and we'll see the result of our operation for each row, one column over. As this function and its mappings are saved in the spreadsheet as a flow step, it can also be used to let your team player users update data by simply clicking on the Run Flow button. We'll see the results of the flow operation one column over. Watch the complete series of Excel Connector tutorial videos to unlock the full potential of your data management.